Today we are making a non-alcoholic mojito mocktail. I'm tweaking the recipe I'm using slightly. I'm going to get my 2-cup liquid measuring cup out. We need 2 tablespoons of lime juice, and I've looked at several recipes and all of them vary slightly when it comes to a mojito mocktail. Most of them said lime juice, but I also saw you should muddle the entire lime. So I'm going to juice 1 lime, but I'm also going to leave the rind in there too, just to get out some of that lime oil. So you might want to wash your lime first before you do this, but I'm going to juice it, plop the entire lime in there. And then when it came to mint, recipes varied between 5 and 15 mint leaves, and some of your mint leaves are larger, some are smaller. This recipe I'm using is 10 mint leaves, so I'm going to use at least 10 good sized mint leaves. And if you don't love this recipe, tweak it, make it your own. Now we need to muddle, and some recipes said to be careful not to bruise your mint leaves, and I think that's just an aesthetic thing. We will muddle for 1 minute. The mint smells amazing. Okay, we have muddled. Today I'm going to be using a pint glass. Mojitos are usually in tall, straight-sided glasses, but use whatever you have. I'm going to strain my mixture since I have pith from the limes plus the lime rinds. We're not told to take the mint leaves out, so I might put the mint leaves in there. I'm gonna press out my dregs because I want all that delicious flavor from those juices. We're going to be adding 2 tablespoons of simple syrup. The recipe calls for a honey simple syrup. You can make it yourself. I have a video for it. I will leave that at the end of this video. And if you want a honey simple syrup, just use honey in place of sugar. Maybe you would use a little bit less honey because honey tends to have a slightly more sweet by volume. So a tablespoon of honey can come across sweeter than a tablespoon of white sugar. Again, tweak this to suit your taste. This is 1 drink, but if it's too sweet, too intense for you, you can split it in half and add more club soda or sparkling water. We're going to add 10 ounces of sparkling water or club soda. That's equal to 1 1/4 cups. Let's add an ice cube. It's a very full drink. Let's garnish with some fresh mint and a fresh lime wedge. And there you have it. Mojito mocktail, great for a hot summer's day. Perhaps before you garnish it, I would recommend perhaps giving it a gentle stir to just bring it down to ice cold temperature. I think I need to stir it anyway. Make sure I have that simple syrup and everything mixed in together. Taste test. That is so good. I was not expecting to love it that much. Okay, that is really good. 100% recommend muddling the entire lime, so you get that lime oil in there too, not just the juice. 100% recommend. I have made a handful of other mocktails on this channel before. This one's the best by far. And I will say, you can buy non-alcoholic spirits to use in place of your rum, your tequila, your vodka. And if you want to, that's great. I just know I wouldn't get through a whole bottle. Again, I've never had a regular mojito before, but this is amazing. I will leave the link to the original recipe, which again, I modified, so I will leave my instructions down below in the description as well. Give this video a big thumbs up if you would try this recipe, then go give it a try and let me know what you think. Be sure to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Again, I will leave the recipe for a homemade simple syrup right here on screen for you guys to check out, and I'll see you guys there.